If you struggle making mountains like Bob Ross, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Using a palette knife is tough and it takes a lot of confidence to shape a perfect mountain. And what I would recommend is don't start out with that. If you want a little cheat and a hack and a secret, you wanna use one of these. These are angle shaders, and it makes it so easy to add a little bit of paint on the end of these angled bristles and drop in distant mountains or even close mountains. They're perfect due to this 45-degree angle here that allows you to follow the shape of not only the way that your hand flows, but the way that the mountain and canvas is for your hand. And what I mean by that is simply just go up and the angle of the paintbrush will allow you to flow and draw in the outer edge. Then you can pull color down. When you have a palette knife, you have such a big, long, straight edge, it can be tough to add things in at the beginning. If you're struggling, I would say go get yourself an angled shader. If you don't have angled shaders in your area, you know what? You don't need one. You can also get yourself a dagger brush, which has a nice swoop and cut on the bristles that allows you again to drop in beautiful angles. This is a quick, simple hack to make your mountains be better because you'll have more control over them. Now, if you want to see how I apply an angle shader to making mountains super easy, I would recommend taking a look at this video at the top right, which runs you through a tutorial on how to make beautiful mountains in a painting that you can make in less than just a few moments. Take care, and of course, peace.